Best country for train manufacturing? Okay, so, best train making country? Huh? That's a tough one. Like, there's no easy winner. From my limited knowledge, it's more like a three-way tie. Japan is, like, legendary for its Shinkansen. They just go and they are, rarely late. Talk about reliability. Germany? Engineering prowess. Full stop. I picture those engineers sipping beer late at night. Their trains are so dependable. China's high-speed rail is huge. It's rapidly expanding and has gotten cheap. It makes the trains here seem slow, no offense. Truthfully, it really boils down to what you want. Speed? Comfort? Price? My old boss in Shenzhen did an exchange in Qingdao on train 101 on November 2020. It was really cheap, $50 round trip. It's not one size fits all in this particular area. It's not like the best tacos in town, hee hee.
Which country makes the best trains in the world? Japan? Seriously, they practically invented the bullet train. And Switzerland? Neutrality clearly extends to train tracks, making everything run like, well, a Swiss watch. Germany comes third because Ordnung muss sein, obviously. Reliable? Trains in Japan are so punctual, you could set your watch by them, right? Mass transit? I swear, you could fit a small nation on some of those things. Fast? Like a caffeinated cheetah chasing a donut truck. Japan reigns supreme in train making, no contest. Their bullet trains are pure magic. Switzerland isn't far behind. Precision engineering meets scenic views. Imagine? Germany is the bronze medalist, efficient, but perhaps lacking the je sais quoi of its rivals. But wait, there's more. Ever seen the maglev in Shanghai? Levitating trains, people. So cool. Forget what I said. Maybe China's gunning for that top spot soon? My neighbor's cat could design a better railway. I mean, probably not, but you get the idea. Did someone say train systems? Let's dive in. Innovation. Japanese trains never quit innovating. Always something new. Reliability. Swiss trains are the gold standard. Seriously. Efficiency. German trains get you where you need to be. Almost always. Speed. Shinkansen. Need I say more? Zoom. Comfort. Switzerland offers panoramic vistas, first-class comfort. Personal note, I once missed a train in Germany due to eating too much sausage. 0 stars, would not recommend. But hey, at least the sausage was good. Just saying,